Which of these pickup trucks can survive a crash from a heavy semi-truck? Tesla Cybertruck. It's actually built like a tank. Dodge Ram TRX. It's flatter than the pavement it's only been on. Ford F-150 Raptor. I thought Fords were supposed to be tough. Chevy Silverado. They're not getting out of this one. GMC Sierra. The driver may have actually survived. Toyota Tundra. Anyone got some Band-Aids on hand? Jeep Gladiator. It doesn't really count as a truck anyway. Toyota Tacoma. At least it did better than its brother, the Tundra.